So we are here for part 6. So we just interfere Google Health Studio and just move to next one. So what that was, it is right there. Now we start from here. So Google Home app, just copy it as you do before, just paste here and now made it. So now get idea, just I create it like this, any kind of stock, any color, don't worry, red, blue, whatever. So I think it 20 will be better. So 20, 22. Okay, Joe, a little bit does something like that. Just I made it here, and now what can I do? Just copy it, just to hold and alt and copy, then rotate it, something like that. So I think it is okay here. Then we'll go here, doesn't matter, we will cut there, so something like that. And then what, just made a copy. It is you can do it, and there are many ways. Just I do it like this. Right button click and transform, then reflect. Okay, vertically reflect. I want to copy it, just copy it, and then somewhere right there, just copy, right button click and group it, and then position it, something like here. What do you think? Okay, it doesn't matter, I just here. Okay, right button click, group it, sorry, right button click, then group it. Okay, it already grouped. And then no, that's the problem here. Okay, so I just create the plot, and now what can I do? Just hold it, select it, and then go to object and then expand, fill and stock, check it, and then just okay. 8 just what? It just what? It turned made into shape. Just I ungroup it, and then what we'll do, just go to Pathfinder and then divide it, right button click and ungroup it, and now just delete it, just the unwanted part, like this. Okay, it easy. Now what we'll do, just select it right there, all point, and with arrow key you can make it, or if you want to just like this. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, I have to some more closer like this. Okay, I think it's over. Now color it. What color? You can just 1, 2, 3, you can just unite this and then color. We have already color, and then this one, then what can I do? Just unite and then make this color. Then what? It will be there. Oh, sorry, I just mistake. Okay, and then this one will be yellow from there. This is the brown color, and then this color. It is over now. Okay, I think I need to more closer. Okay, and then what can I do? Just I need to round some little. So now just over there and there and there. I think not there, but they will be roundish, just little bit, not just like this, just little bit right there. I think it's, and then It's a little bit, just a bit corner. I think it's okay, just a little bit. Okay, we just made one. Just group and just over. It's over. Now go to the next one. Next one, what? Google input tool. We just make like this already. So if you want, just watch the previous video, just right there. Just Google Gboard. It is a little bit like this. I don't want to show how this. If you want to see, just go to the previous video and watch. I don't waste my time again. Just just to delete it apart and change the color. If you want to watch this video, just go to my previous video. You can find it, I think. So just color it. I just change the color, and this will be I think go like this, and this will be also just more brighter, somewhere like this. Okay, and now put it here. Type just A. Okay, then made it something like this. Is not the same typeface, just okay. Now made a color like this. Okay, not the same color. Okay, so it is Azan time. My voice is down. Just watch. Now next one, the Google Lens. It's again go to the rectangular tool, something like there. It is not the perfect, but I'll just try. Okay, right button click and then go just reflect it, copy. Okay, somewhere right there, and then again copy it, and then again transform, then reflect. Now we want to reflect horizontally, not vertically like this. Just copy it and somewhere. Is it okay? I think it is okay. What do you think? Just let me down in the comment. So now I just want to write here. Not perfect though. Not perfect. I think I need to just expand it. Okay, expand it, and now somewhere like this. I don't know if it is perfect. Just change the color. One more. Just put it middle here, somewhere right there. don't know how to okay, just group it, and just today we made 3, I think. Just go to the next one. Oh, this is the fun. It is Google Meet. Just copy it like this, then paste it somewhere right there. And now what can I do? Just made it like this. Okay, copy it and rotate it, just made it to the top. Again, copy both one and just like this and put it there. Okay, is it okay? I don't know. Like this. This. Like this. Like this. Okay. So now we just made like this. Just it's not tricky one. Just go to here and just divide it. Right button click, ungroup. Now we undo one more thing into there like this. Then again, just is it here? What do you think? Yes, it is here. We can see. Just like this, right button click and ungroup. Now I want to the color. What color it is? Oh, one more thing, I forgot it. Polygon tool, just 3 sides. Okay, we want to make it like this. I think it is okay now. Again, just hold it and divided it. Now just put the color somewhere like there. There will be red and it will be yellow. Okay, just mistake here, just delete it, and both one will be united. This one like this color. Again, select it here, made this color. Alright, this is color. Okay, so I think there is something. Okay, one more missing right there. This is okay. This is okay. Group, and we want to just 1, 2, 3, just like that. Then we made it. I think there is still some problem, something to miss like this, but I'm trying, and you just get the idea what they did. Well, they are skill designer. They made it like this. I just try how they did, how we will do it. Okay, just for today, this 4 is over. We will it is almost 17 minutes. Okay, so we'll show how this made in the next part. Okay, so that's for today, and as well as bye.